Where are the pieces for this puzzle? And what's this? The train brought us some puzzle pieces. A painter! A hairdresser. A chef. A gardener. A teacher. A doctor. These pieces aren't enough. We need more. Hey, hi! Let's fill in these gaps, guys. This is a house. It's a rooster. This is a sheep. Look, a goose. It's a horse. And this is a goat. This is a cow. It's a tree. And this? Right, it's a pig. And this is a tractor. Now what? Ah, a bit of magic. Abracadabra. It worked, friends. We got a tractor. Who needs a tractor? Yes, a gardener. And this is a wheelbarrow. Who needs a wheelbarrow? Yep, a gardener. We need to build a farm, friends. A barn. A tree. Carrots. Haystacks. A cow. A fence. And another part of the fence. A bush. And a farmer. Look what we got. These are gardening tools. Our gardener needs them. Hey there! Red! Yellow! Green! Blue! Good job! A red apple. A yellow balloon. A blue dolphin. A green cucumber. A yellow bell pepper. A red tomato. A green grasshopper. A blue flower. A red bird. A red ladybug. Yellow bananas. A blue eggplant. A green parrot. A green car. A yellow duck. A green pear. A yellow bee. A blue butterfly. A blue blackberry. Oh, look at these colored pencils. I have an idea. Hocus pocus. This is a palette. Who needs a palette? Right, a painter. And these are paints. The painter uses paints for their art. Wow, a vehicle puzzle. This is a helicopter. Now what's this? A submarine. Wrong spot. That's better. What do we put here? Let's see. A train. Well done. Next, we need a car. Help me find this vehicle. Yes, it's a dump truck. What do we need here? A container ship. Let's fill in this spot. This is the vehicle we need, a bus. Next spot. It's for a bath escape. What's next? An ambulance. What fits here? Yes, a fire truck. Let's fill this spot. I think an RV will fit there. Yes! And the last spot. It's for a racing car. Well done, friends. Whoa, guys, we got an ambulance. Who uses an ambulance? Right, a doctor. Let's fill this cabinet. But first, we need some shelves. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Where does this one go? Right here. This shelf fits here. And the last one. Next task. This is a tablet. This is a first aid kit. This is a Band-Aid. This is a pill. This is a thermometer. This is a syringe. This is a blister pack of pills. And this is a blister pack of tablets. Hi, Dr. Penguin. We need some medical supplies. Can you help? Thanks. Guys, we got some pills. Doctors prescribe pills. And this is a syringe for liquid medicine. Thanks, Dr. Penguin. Doctors need syringes, too. Next, a hair salon. Let's fill it with things. Shelves first. This mini shelf goes here. These are hair products. A little lamp. A mirror. Scissors. Perfume spray. A hair dryer. And a comb. Hi, Mr. Hairdresser. We need some hair tools. Here they are, guys. These are barber tools. Our hairdresser needs them. This is a mirror. Here it goes. And a hair dryer. So many letters. Wow! Let's make words out of these letters. We'll start with C. Next is A. T. Friends, we got a cat. Letter S. T-O-V-E. Ta-da! Yay, it's a stove! Who needs a stove? Right, our chef. B-E, air. Look, it's a bear. M-I-X-E-R. Good job, we got a mixer. Chefs use mixers to cook. It's a pot. Here it goes. What's in here? A bee. And this is a globe. Teachers use globes to teach kids. This is a lion. And this is a sloth. It's a school board. The teacher really needs it. Gotta put this number puzzle together. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9. And we're done! More magic? Why not? Abracadabra! It's an easel! The painter needs it. Let's try again. Hocus pocus. These are 4 books. Their place is right here. Our puzzle is finished. Painter! Hairdresser! Chef! Gardener! Teacher! Doctor! Great job, friends! Thank you for helping me with the puzzle. See you soon. Bye-bye.